From beautiful forests to urban parks, spending time in green or natural spaces has some major physical and mental health benefits. In a 2020 Park People Canada survey of 1,600 Canadians, 70% said they appreciate parks more since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. Research shows that spending time in nature is linked to improvements in areas including cardiovascular, respiratory, and mental health. Doctors of BC supports efforts to boost equitable and safe access to green spaces for everybody in British Columbia all year round. While accessibility strategies are showing results, there are still some areas of improvement, such as costs and barriers encountered by marginalized communities. To do this work, Doctors of BC recommends stakeholders at all levels work together to increase equitable access to green spaces for British Columbians, including those living in Indigenous and rural communities, those with disabilities, and lower-income residents. The physical and psychological well-being of all British Columbians is safeguarded when using green spaces. Where possible and appropriate, develop covered, weather-protected areas in green spaces that can be accessed freely and year-round. For more information on the Doctors of BC Equitable Access to Green Spaces Policy Resolution and our other policy work, please visit our website.